everyone. So this week's discussion focused on Montaigne and the skepticisms that he proposed during the Renaissance. A lot of the skepticisms that were mentioned in our discussion were kind of along the same lines. So a lot of us mentioned that Montaigne proposed that humans follow faith too blindly. Humans are arrogant, vain, not superior to animals. Emotions and motives can affect beliefs, and Montaigne also proposed that we should not believe the accuracy of our senses. One interesting point that a peer mentioned as the skepticism of Montaigne was the arrogance of human knowledge. I really liked how that was phrased. And this peer tied that into the idea that Montaigne proposed that humans are weak and arrogant and vain. Another point mentioned by this peer that I found interesting involved Montaigne's criticism of child rearing and how parents during this time of the Renaissance really regarded their children as little humans and not as developing children. And in doing that and implementing harsh punishment, they were kind of ignoring the effect that that would have on later behavior. And that really contributed to the development of behavior and how this idea of behavior affects psychology as a whole. And then also, another peer mentioned Montaigne's skepticism of humans not being able to experience pure elements of feeling. And this peer related this idea to the body's releasing of endorphins after experiencing pain. And I really thought that was interesting because it wasn't brought up in the discussion. And overall, I feel like everyone kind of touched on the point that Montaigne really contributed to the development of science by first questioning the ideas, the religious beliefs of the time, and specifically questioning authority. It was mentioned in lecture how big of a presence the church still had during the Renaissance. So in Montaigne's asking these questions, it really was taking the first step in making new discoveries like Galileo did as well.